Hi, this is Dr. Ganesh Pathak and welcome you in my research channel. Today we are going to discuss on a basic concept of a research. Most of the time I found that the MBA students or BBA student are having a fear about this subject. When this research comes in front of them, they found it's very difficult subject. You need to understand the concept very thoroughly. If you are going to take some simple example, then you will find the research subject is very simple to understand. See, when we are discussing about a research, what is meant by a research? If you are going to see this particular word of a research, what comes in our mind? Actually, when we start to go for a research, for this discussion, I will take a 1 mark. Okay, so this mark you know very well. What is this basically? Yes, we know this is nothing but a question mark. But really it's a question mark for us. When we are discussing about this research methodology, when we are talking about this research, this is not only a question mark. This is nothing but, when we are talking in a general way, this mark is nothing but when, this mark is nothing but where, this mark is nothing but what, this mark is nothing but how. So this is nothing but a common answer. But if you are going to see this question mark from a research point of view, this question mark is nothing but when the question mark is arise, when we have a problem, when we have investigation, when we have a doubt of anything, a confusion. So this research or this question mark are much related. When we have a question mark, then we start to go for a research. So when we are doing a research, what we are doing? We are trying to solve the problems. We are trying to investigate the things behind the problem. We are interested to find out the reason behind the doubts, and we are interested to solve and confusion. Okay, so now if you are going to break this word, or when we are interested to find details about research, it is just see a combination of 2 words. The first word is nothing but a re, and second word is nothing but a search. So this is nothing but a combination of 2 words. So these 2 words means what? What is meant by re and what is meant by search? As we know, re means what? Re means again and again. Or we can say re means repetitively. Okay, so we are not ending with only single time reading, as well as we are not stopping when we are finding the information. What is meant by search? The search is nothing but to find out, as well as to investigate, to observe. So this is nothing but a search. So if you are going to break this word re and search, then you will get the answer of what is meant by research. The research is nothing but a continuous activity. So in this continuous activity, we are doing the things again and again. When we are doing a research, at that time we are searching again and again for the facts, for the findings, for the data, for the the readings on different variables. So research is nothing but a combination of 2 words. If you are going to see a definition of a research from a different author's point of view, so one very popular book, as we know, or most of the students are prefer to study from this book, and the book is Research Methodology by C.R. Kothari. If you are going to see a definition of a research by C.R. Kothari, is nothing but a systematic and scientific search for pertinent information on a specific topic. In fact, research is an art of scientific investigation. If you are going to see this definition very thoroughly, then you will get a meaning of a research. Research is nothing but a systematic. What is meant by systematic? The systematic is nothing but we are following some steps. Because as we know, we need to follow a research methodology process. So research is nothing but a systematic process as well as scientific. What is meant by scientific? Scientific is nothing but which is tested, which is proven. So each and everything which we are conducting or which we are applying in research, it should be a scientific one. So it's a systematic and scientific search. What is meant by search? A search is nothing but to find out the information, to find out the data. So it is a systematic and scientific search on pertinent information on a specific topic. What is meant by specific topic? When we are conducting any research, it's always start with a question mark, as we already discussed. That the question mark is not the end, the question mark is the beginning for the research. And when we are working on a specific topic, it means we are starting with some question mark, we are starting with one problem. As well as when we are conducting a research, we have listed out some management problem as well as some research problem. So we are trying to find out the information on a specific topic. In fact, research is nothing but an art of scientific investigation. So when we have different problems, what we are trying to do? We are trying to find out the reasons behind the problem. After the definition of a research, we have some different viewpoints as well as different angles to understand the research. If you are going to understand the concept of research, research is nothing but a journey from unknown to known. Like this journey starts from unknown when we don't know about anything. We are starting a research and we are moving towards a known. So research is a journey from unknown to known. As well as from other point of view, research is also a journey from complex to simplex. So this journey starts from unknown to known as well as complex to simplex. So now you will get an idea why research is important and why researchers are doing research. See, in each and every one and each and every human being is doing research at every point of their life, because at every point each and every individual is trying to make their life very simple. So when we are facing any problem, we are trying to solve the particular problem with some different alternative solutions. So what we are doing, we are trying to make complex things into very simplest forms. So these are nothing but we can say a meaning of research. If you are going to take any examples, like if you are unknown about anything, if you are unknown about a share market, what you are going to do? You are going to search the information about the share market, what is meant by share market, what is meant by stock. When you are a little bit aware about the share market, then you are looking forward for what is meant by equity market, what is commodity market, what is meant by currency market. So what it means, you are starting your journey from unknown and you are moving towards a known. So now our next point for the discussion is all about the objectives of a research. What are the objectives of research? So basically, there are 6 objectives of research which we are going to see today. See, the first and most important objective of research, which is about which extend knowledge. What it means? It means what we have, like what knowledge we have, we are trying to extend it. Why we are going to research? Like we are interested to extend our knowledge. The second objective of a research is to unravel the mysteries. Unravels the mysteries. The third objective of a research, which is about which verifies and tests. What is meant by this verifies and test? The verifies and test is all about, in research we are trying to verify each and everything, like the theories which are given by some different authors, so which we are trying to verify it, whether this theory is right or wrong. As well as we are, when we are doing applied research, at that time we are taking some test on that particular finding. So research which verifies as well as which test. The fourth objective of a research is to find out the interrelationship. We are interested to find out the interrelationship between the variable. When we have two variables, like one is dependent variable, one is independent variable, we are interested to find out the relationship between two variables, like job satisfaction and productivity. So in this example, the job satisfaction is nothing but an independent variable and productivity is nothing but a dependent variable. So in research, we are interested to find out the interrelationship between the variables. The next objective of a research is to find out the solution. Solution means we are interested to find out the solution for a specific problem. When we have a management problem, when we have a research problem, when we are doing a diagnostic kind of a research, at that time we are interested to find out some solution. And the next objective is research is for development of new tools as well as concepts. So with the help of a research, what we are interested to do? We are interested to develop in new concepts, as well as we are interested to go for development of new tools. Again, why we are doing all these things? Again, which is a journey which start from unknown to known, as well as from complex to simplex. So this is all about a research. So thank you so much for attending my this session, which is related to the basic concept of a research. Hope you like this video. If you have any question, please put your all questions in the chat box. Definitely I will answer your questions, as well as please go with my next videos, which is going to be talk on types of research. Thank you so much.